When it comes to LED headlights for your Toyota Tacoma, the Morimoto XB LED has the best style, the best features, and the best brightness. It's 5 times brighter than the stock halogen projector headlight that originally came on your truck, and it's brighter with a better beam pattern than the OEM LED headlights. In this video, I'm going to give you a look around this headlight, what to expect, and show you why you should consider it on your Tacoma. The original halogen headlights on the Tacoma use a projector low beam with an H11 halogen bulb and a reflector high beam with an H11 bulb, and then an amber incandescent bulb for your turn signal. Instead of having all of these individual components recreated in the new aftermarket headlight, it's done totally different. On the new XB headlights for the 2016 to 2020 Tacoma, everything is built in. There's no parts to take out, there's no parts to service, no parts to replace. It's a completely maintenance-free sealed LED assembly. Around the perimeter, you've got this LED strip that acts as a dual brightness DRL with all LED technology. And when you turn the headlights on, you have a separate dim function for the DRL. Now, when it comes to the turn signal, that's also built into the DRL strip. There's no ugly extra bulbs floating around here. You have the option of a standard blinking turn signal that just turns the entire strip on and off, or by a simple plug in the back of the headlight, you can turn it to this wild-looking sequential turn signal. The side markers and parking lights are also built in with amber LEDs, and the lens is OEM grade, UV resistant, hardened polycarbonate. That means no ugly yellow pitting over time. These are going to stand up just as well as any OEM headlight that was on your truck to begin with. Each headlight uses Osram LED chips coming in at 2,600 lumens apiece, and Curia optics to give world-class leading beam pattern, shape, and design. The headlights are DOT approved. They come with a 5-year warranty and are completely plug and play. If you need some more convincing and you want to see exactly how these headlights install on your truck, we have a step-by-step process video for that too. Go check out our channel to see other Tacoma videos, and I'll put a link to the install guide in the description below. If you need further convincing, check out the difference in light output. Here you can see the original halogen headlight. It's basically what you would expect out of a factory projector halogen headlight. Trust me, we can do better. When we measure brightness on this thing, it only comes in at 200 maximum lux in the middle of the hot spot. When you turn on the low beam on your Tacoma, all 3 of these projectors are going to fire up and give you a modern style LED beam pattern that's 5 times brighter than the old halogen headlight. It's got a similar cutoff and beam pattern from the original headlights, but it's way brighter. The original headlights only came in at 200 maximum lux, where the new LED headlights come in at 1000 maximum lux. The inner 2 projectors also double as a high beam. So you've got all 3 lights on all the time, but on high beam, 2 of them flip to a brighter mode. This headlight is better than the stock all the way around. My favorite thing about this headlight is the startup sequence. When you fire up your truck and you've got this thing installed, trust me when I say you're going to get everybody's attention. Obviously, by now you can probably tell if I was putting a set of headlights on my Tacoma, I'd go with the Morimoto XB LED headlights. It's the best of the best, and it's a no-brainer. If you want to see everything else that you can do with lighting upgrades to your 16 to 2020 Toyota Tacoma, subscribe and go check out the other videos on our channel.